Finally got some stuff in for the KLX 125 here. Got new chain, new sprockets, new rear tire, new air filter. I gotta fix the front brakes and stuff yet, but we'll get to that here. Got the top end kit here. Got it from eBay. Came from China, so it took forever, but looks good. Got new brakes, new sprockets, new chain, new air filter, new tire. Ready to start putting this thing back together. If you look at everything, piston wise, gotta watch these kits. They say a lot of them fit this bike, but they don't have this style piston like the factory one. They got a flat top piston. I don't think it'll work the same, but overall the cylinder looks identical. I don't see any differences in it. Only thing, this one has a port there, but this one don't. I don't even know what that's for. But overall, looks pretty good. I don't see anything. Piston rings look fine. Everything looks good. Just out of curiosity, I'm gonna weigh the cylinder once. See what kind of material it's made out of. If it's the same quality material or not. There's the stock one. .72 pounds. This one's actually heavier. So it's good solid, not some cheap cast aluminum crap. It looks pretty beefy. So we're gonna get to cleaning up the head here. Get the rest out of there, clean up the head gasket and stuff, and start putting this thing back together. Got the head all cleaned up. New valve stem seals in it. If you want to know how I did that, I got another video with a Honda four-wheeler. Basically the same thing. So only other thing you do, top end, get ready. We'll, got a ring in there. Check the ring gap. About 4 thousandths for every inch of bore. So this is 2.25 inch bore. So about 8 thousandths ring gap. Goes in no problem. So something to check before when you're rebuilding the motor. So we'll get the rings on the piston and put this thing together. Time to install the rings. It's hard to see, but the letters or any letters or numbering always goes up on the ring. Exhaust side, the arrow's pointing. Always put the ring gap on the intake side. I don't use anything special to put these on. I just walk it around. Put the gap on each one about 90 degrees from each other. So the oil ring seals here and the rings are usually the dark one always goes first ring.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/find. That's ZipRecruiter.com/find.
This week at Fresh Time Market, save on 80% lean grass-fed ground beef, just $3.99 a pound. Now through December 6th. Get real.
Cordell Transportation is now hiring Class A CDL drivers.
There, try to make the line there. One gap. Good to go. Exhaust side. necessarily always use a ring compressor, so, and I always put the piston inside the cylinder first. Just to make sure everything looks good. I like to put one ring on the side with the cam chain. Get the piston pin in there. I'll try to do it one hand here. Always put a rag down inside there to make sure nothing falls down when you're doing it. Just line up the piston pin. There, piston pin's in. Alright, got the ring in there. Got the rag out of there. Oops, watch the gasket. Alright, torque the head bolts. First round is 10 pounds. Which ain't much. Second torque is 20 pounds. Got lines on the cam, and the lobes will be facing down. We're closer now, but we're still off. So we need to go, let's check our top dead center again real quick. There's top dead center. There's our lines. So it's hard to keep it lined up because it wants to keep moving, but yeah, we're double checking the light hole down here. There's top dead center. I'll kind of hold it there. We're good with our lines right there. All right, time to install the valve cover. Get the gasket stuff on there. I like to lay the bolts out right the way they're going to go in. That way it's easy to find which ones for different lengths. Ready to install our cam chain tensioner. It's got a lock nut on it. Break the lock nut loose. Loosen the Allen wrench. See, it springs out. Push it all the way in. Lock it down. Get your gasket lined up. Got it tightened up. Loosen your Allen, let the thing spring out. Tighten it back down. Locking it back down. Should be good to go.